ladies and gentlemen, thank you for joining me on such an auspicious occasion. Throughout the course of this year, we'll see this factory going up, and it will go up in a structured, logical way. And I think that people will see through the course of this construction that Lucid really is the real deal, that we're here to stay, and we're going to create an amazing product here in Arizona.
Arizona is on a roll, and this has not happened by accident. With a business environment that is second to none, Arizona has certainly shown the world that we are open for business. Today, the state of celebration in Arizona is focused on one innovator, and that is Lucid Motors.